up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and today I'm gonna do my favorites for September. I think I missed a month, but it is what it is, girl, you know? So let's just get right into it. That's how I do things. Hopefully you like that. I don't like to do a lot of talking, but okay. So we're gonna get into right away. I don't know what I want to do first. Let's go with an oldie but a goodie that I popped out of my makeup collection. I've been using the Kat Von D Shade and Light. Now this is one of the only things that I actually have pan on, like 3 different things. I really do like this. I have it on today. It's really light. I could probably darken it a little bit, but it looks pretty good. And I think you can still get this. I'll put a price point in here if you can still get it here or here, wherever. There is a new one that I saw. It's a smaller one. So I'll put a picture in of how much this is right now, if it's still available. And I'll put a picture of the new one in, because I kind of want to get the new one. It's little. It's just like a little square one. But I think it only has like 3. Like 2 of these and like 1 of those. So I might be trying that out soon. Also, the next thing, I think everything's pretty much makeup that I'm going to talk about today, so hopefully that's okay. I got the ColourPop Star-Crossed Colors, and there's 12 different eyeliners. Now these are cream gel liners, and they're from ColourPop. Let me just give you let me show you one of them. I'm just going to pick a random one. Let's just pick this one. It's Charmer, and can't put it on that hand. It's like a cream gel. Look at how easy that was. I barely touched it to my skin. So they're real nice for in the water lines, and I could probably do even like what I thought for this is like Halloween looks. So that's probably what I'll use them for. And I'm being a lazy ass bitch. Sorry, I think I've got lipstick smudge. Being a lazy ass bitch. I want to do Halloween looks, but I'm just being lazy. I'm sorry. Okay, next thing. I did mention this last month, and I'll mention it again. And hopefully, I don't know if you can still get this, but it's Shoop by Milani in the lip liner. I love this. This is like my favorite lip liner. I like to do the 90s thing, the darker and lighter. It's my thing. It is what it is. And then I picked this up too. It's a Wet n Wild, and it's skinny dipping. It's just like, I think they're very cheap. They're under $3. And it's just like a nude. Like I have it on today, but I also have something else on too, so you can't really see it, but I do really like that shade for me. Skinny dipping. Real cheap. That's good. It's kind of like a matte consistency. So that's Wet n Wild. And then I don't know if I mentioned these last month. I might have. Sorry if I'm repeating myself or whenever I did it. But I do like the Luxe from ColourPop. I put that on over the skinny dipping, which I didn't need to, but I did that for the sake of the video. But I'm wearing Can't You Even? Just nudes. I just got some nudes. I love nudes and a bold eye. That's kind of what I do with my life. I mean, I don't really have a bold eye on right now. Today I got the Manny MUA Morphe collaboration on, because I just got it in my BoxyCharm, and I do have a BoxyCharm back, so we'll see if I do that. Also, I got this from my last Ipsy. It's the Venice Fling by Bailey Sarian and Estate. I'm loving this palette, girl. I love it because it's really versatile, because you can use these, this here for like highlight. You can use these for blushes, these for contour. And I mean, I've done it before, and it works really well, so that if you're traveling, you can cut down on makeup, which, girl, I bring everything and the kitchen sink when it comes to makeup. I don't know, I just feel like I need options. I don't know. So yeah. Then let's see, I'm going to go with the Kat Von D. Hey, we got like a couple Kat Von D things in here. This is Saint. There's Sinner and Saint. I got Saint. It was on sale. It smells really good. It's like clean and slightly floral. It smells so good, and that bottle, it's pretty. I have a lot of perfume. Someday I should do a little collection. Sorry about my hair. This is my natural hair. I really didn't do anything to it. Let's see. I know there's other things. What I've been doing is ever so often, I like these things. It doesn't matter what type they are. I'll just buy these. And I'll just, you know, make sure all the dead skin and hairs off my face so the makeup applies better. So these are a lifesaver. What I do, I probably mentioned this before, is I just put a facial oil. I use like the e.l.f. I'll put it all over my face, and then I'll just shape my eyebrows. I love these things. Love these. I know a lot of people use these, but they are good. I know I mentioned this before, but I didn't mention it in favorites, and I actually really do like this. I haven't used it a lot, but it's the Instant Age Rewind. And it's a whatever, I don't know. Who is this even by? I want to say Maybelline. Yeah, it's by Maybelline. So I finally got it, and it is pretty good. It stays pretty well. I use it as a base, which I already said I shouldn't. I should use the eyelid primer, but I like using this because then I can get right up under my eyebrow and just kind of just make sure they're all cleaned up. So I like to use concealer for the whole shebang. And also I've been using this a lot, this e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. I really like it. I thought it was going to be glowy, but it really isn't. I know you can't see too much on mine, but because it's white. It's white as hell. It's a pink consistency for me, and I like to get a lot of like foundations and powders with a pink tint. I feel like that matches me best, so yeah. Another oldie but goodie that I'm gonna be using a lot is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream by what is it, Sol Janeiro. I love the smell of this. I got both of these, so if you can pick up a small one, they last a long time. I got these in my BoxyCharm. They gave it to me for free for signing back up with them, so and I don't know, I really do feel like I'm forgetting stuff, but I don't know. I guess one other thing that's cheap I really like is my fan that I got at the Dollar Tree. It's cute, rainbow, you know, to support them ladies and gents and non-binaries. Ladies, gents, gays, whatever, everybody. So it's cute. I love it. Dollar. Oh, that's one thing I meant to mention. I'll put a little picture of it here, but I love the Dollar Tree. My husband makes fun of me. He's like, "Why, you can go into the Dollar Tree again?" Girl, I go to the Dollar Tree. One day I'll go to one location, one to the next, one to the next, one to the next. And I know it adds up, but they got the cutest stuff during fall. Girl, you gotta go during fall. They've got the best stuff. Like, I could go there every day and find something cute. You can make things out of like crafts. You can make your own wreaths. I mean, I'll do none of that, but I like the Dollar Tree. It's like my current obsession. So I think that's it for everything today. I can't even speak. Yeah, that's everything. So hopefully you like this video. Make sure you give me a comment down below. Tell me what you're liking, and make sure you follow all my social medias. And that's it for today. So thanks for stopping in. Bye.